Solve. Write the answer in set builder notation. 14x plus 9 is greater than 13x minus 4. We'll begin this problem by subtracting 9 from both sides. 14x plus 9 minus 9 is greater than 13x minus 4 minus 9. On the left-hand side, simplifying gives us 14x is greater than 13x minus 4 minus 9 is minus 13. Next, we will subtract 13x from each side, so 14x minus 13x is greater than 13x minus 13 minus 13x. On the left-hand side, we subtract the coefficients of x. 14 minus 13 is 1, 1x, which we write as just x. On the right-hand side, the 13x minus 13x is 0, so we have x is greater than negative 13. To write this in set builder notation, we could write the solution set is, we would write open brace x such that x is greater than negative 13, and then close braces.